Oriental Mindoro is one of the Mimaropa's prime tourist destination, known for its beaches, waterfalls, and vibrant local culture. Tourism sustains thousands of jobs and businesses, but as visitor numbers grow, so do the challenges. This is the reality of over-tourism, too much of a good thing, but threatening the future of our province.
We are now here at one of the tourist spots in Oriental Mindoro to talk with a local citizen who experiences the effect of tourism firsthand.
Good afternoon po, bilang residente po dito sa Fountain or Plaza del Gobernador. Ano po yung mga challenges nyo dito kapag marami pong turista?
As a resident near this tourist area, napapansin ko na during peak season sobrang traffic, crowded ang lugar at minsan nagkakaubusan ng parking at basic supplies. Medyo nagiging maingay din at mahirap gumalaw sa paligid.
Good afternoon po. Ano po yung pagbabago na napansin nyo tungkol sa effort ng City Tourist Management?
Napansin ko na mas organized na ngayon ang tourism management. May mas malinaw na traffic and crowd control. Mas visible ang mga tourist police at marshals. At may mga rules na tungkol sa waste management. Nakakatulong din yung mas maayos na coordination ng LGU at Tourism Office para maging safe at enjoyable experience ng mga visitors.
The citizen revealed how over-tourism affects their daily life. Noise, congestion, traffic, and discomfort. Yet, she also acknowledged the efforts of the City Tourism Office, which deployed marshals and improved traffic management to bring order during peak season. This shows both the burden and the progress tourism brings to the local communities. We are now here at Calapan City, one of the entrance of tourists to the amazing destination here at Oriental Mindoro. We are going to ask some tricycle driver regarding their insights if there are few tourists arrive in Oriental Mindoro and their benefits to it.
Ano po yung masasabi niyo po sa pagdami ng turista dito sa Calapan City na pagmumula po sa pier po? At ano po yung magiging impact po nito sa pagbuhay?
Ang daming kita dahil marami kami nalilipat sa
The tricycle driver shared that the surge of tourists brings more passengers, which means higher income for them. This shows how tourism can directly improve livelihoods in the transportation sector.
Pwede po kayo
Okay na.
tanong po namin, ano po yung insight nyo sa over-tourism mo dito sa Pilipinas?
Nakakainsan sa over-tourism, maganda at masamasa sa ating lugar. Ikaw sa company namin sa Makto. Mabuti pa dahil siguro pa dahil pagpamaya ng papagano. Pero minsan nagkakaubusan ng resources at supply. Salungat dito ang pagdami ng salita ay pagtaas ng bilang ng bakita. At nakakalungkot din na ang iba sa nakabilisan ito ay
The staff of McDonald's shared that peak seasons bring more customers and higher sales, but also stress and exhaustion for employees. Beyond this, the sudden rush often leads to a lack of resources, longer waiting times for customers, and increase in waste or basura produced by the crowd. This proves that over-tourism affects not only nature and communities, but also the industries that serve tourists every day. According to recent study entitled Tourism Beyond Limits, a systematic review on the challenges and mitigation strategies of over-tourism published on ResearchGate, the rapid growth of tourism in Bali has created serious challenges. The study revealed that when visitor numbers exceed a destination's capacity, the result is environmental damage, resource depletion, and socio-economic issues for local communities. The findings show that over-tourism significantly affects three key areas: the environment, the economy, and culture.
The Provincial Tourism Office assured that the Oriental Mindoro continues to welcome visitors. There are challenges that must be addressed, such as waste management, infrastructure, and the need to balance economic benefits with environmental preservation.
Tourism is the heartbeat of Oriental Mindoro. It creates jobs, strengthens communities, and shares the beauty of our province with the world. But when tourism goes beyond its limits, it brings noise, traffic, waste, and pressure on the very resources that make our land special. The voices of citizens, drivers, workers reminds us that tourism is not just about visitors. It is about balance between livelihood and environment, profit and preservation, progress and culture. As future hospitality professionals, we learn that the true role of tourism is not only to welcome guests, but also to protect our home. Responsible tourism is the key to ensuring that Oriental Mindoro remains a paradise not just today, but for generations to come.